YouTube, what's going on? Kevin, the Tech Ninja here, and today I'm going to talk to you about 5G, specifically on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, as a content creator or a technology influencer, as they call it these days, being able to create content on the go is very important, and having that connection, having that 5G speed is huge. So today's video is in collaboration with Samsung, so a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video and giving me the opportunity to tell you how I 5G. And by the way, guys, everything you see in here right now is shot on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And also, I did edit this video on the Galaxy S20 Ultra as well. And I'm gonna leave a link down below to what software I use so you can give it a shot yourself. So when I first got 5G, the very first thing I did was a live stream, and I find that 5G is imperative for a live stream. Now, as you guys know, in the past, I've been to CES and other conferences, and I always do live video. And the reason for that is because you can see exactly what's happening as soon as I hit the live button. And with a 5G connection, it is extremely fast. You can see everything in great detail. It's not buffering and loading and all those things that you see on 4G connections or even crappy Wi-Fi. Being able to comment to people back and forth and have a true conversation without a ton of lag or a ton of delay is imperative for my field. And also showing you the content in the best quality possible while streaming and doing it live demands a fast connection, and 5G is fast enough to handle that. Number two, when I'm on the go, especially at these events, I always work with an editor. Because I'm shooting content all day, it's impossible for me to edit all the content. And working with an editor is very important to get them the files as fast as possible. With 5G, I'm getting speeds up to 1 gigabit per second and uploads up to 50 megabits per second. Working with speeds that fast allows me to upload this content to my editor. He can download it, edit it, and send it back to me the exact same day. On a 4G connection or a shared Wi-Fi, that is actually not possible, but with 5G, that is extremely possible. Number three ties directly into number two. Now that my editor has the video, he then uploads it to me. I can then download it back at the 5G speeds and then upload it to YouTube at 5G speeds. Once again, allowing me to grab this content and putting it online for you guys to watch as soon as possible. I'm not waiting 3 to 4 hours, not looking for coffee shops or anything like that while I'm on the go. I am actually able to do it from my cellular connection, whether it's tethered from my Samsung device or just doing it directly from my Samsung device. Number four, I don't use it often, but when I have to use it, it's actually usually a 911 emergency and something I need to get done. Being able to remote into my computer to preview files or then even sending files to cloud services is huge. Now, if you do this on any type of connection that isn't fast at all, everything is delayed. It takes much longer. You can't even see what you're doing half the time. Doing it on a 5G connection, no issues at all. It feels like I'm sitting right in front of my computer. Now here I'm able to just view some files and then move those to the cloud, because if I'm working on content and I have files from something else or a different time and I keep those on my local machine, I need to move those to the cloud to download them back. 4G connection or Wi-Fi connection is hit or miss doing this. Now, downloading data from the cloud on 4G just takes so much longer to the point where it's just something I wouldn't even do. But with a 5G connection, I'm actually able to do that. And number five, once again, it plays right into number four. When I have the files in the cloud, I'm able to sort through all the files, preview the files without downloading them, and then download the files that are relevant to what I'm working on. And I can continue editing, continue working on content while I'm downloading files in the background. Now that right there is huge, and that saves hours per edit compared to how it used to be when I didn't have a 5G connection. Even with shared Wi-Fi, they limit or throttle the way you're using it. So a lot of times for downloading or multimedia, they then throttle you down to the slowest speed possible. And that just does not work when you're trying to get content up as fast as possible, as I do often when I'm on the go working. With the 5G connection, I can utilize those speeds to act like I am actually in my office still working, as I'm still pretty efficient getting my content uploaded, getting it sent to an editor, downloading it back, and putting it back on YouTube for you guys to see all within a day. And that is very, very impressive. As always, guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. A big thanks to Samsung for sponsoring this content, wanting me to let you guys know how I 5G on the go and how it actually changes the way I live, changes the way I'm able to work and get content to you guys. Anyways, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja, have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Peace.